So Government Minister Edmund Bartlett and Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith have a problem. Big problem. Dem object to the appointment of Renief Lawrence as acting director of corruption prosecution at the Integrity Commission. Why? Because the moon is friends with Dayton Campbell. Yes, friends. From university days. So apparently that friendship is now a conflict of interest. But hear me now, Jackass AD world na level. Because guess what? The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, him wife is the Speaker of the House. Me repeat, the Speaker of the House. The same house where big Integrity Commission discussions happen. But that's not a conflict, right? And it na stop deso. The Prime Minister himself in a construction and development business. And who him rub shoulders with? People in charge of the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, and the Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ. Yes, him in business with people who control housing and land deals in this country. But apparently, that's all good. No objection letter right up for that. But one man get a new position and because him know a PNP man from school days, a pure mix-up and conflict of interest, talk start. A joke thing dis. Me say Jamaica sweet but it confusing bad.